Good afternoon, or morning, or whatever time it is you're watching this. Back in the shed with another experiment with the denim composite, or redneck carbon fiber, whatever we want to call it. Once again, I'm using the Harbor Freight epoxy, and this time I was wanting to get some metal pie plates, but strangely enough, with all the coronavirus stuff, the stores are out of toilet paper and most cleaners and sanitizers and disposable pie plates. So, aluminum foil on a paper plate it is. Anyway, so here we have our acetone. And this time I did, once again, 3 layers. So just to, mimic the last piece. Or the first one, excuse me. So 3 layers of denim with the same epoxy, except this time it has a splash of acetone. I weighed it out at 20 grams per part of the epoxy, and then the acetone, I didn't really weigh it, I just kind of put a splash in it. It absolutely did make it thinner, easier to spread, and also, therefore, easier for the denim to absorb, which means by the time I got to the 3rd layer, I was actually starting to run out of the stuff. So, yeah, that will definitely show that it's absorbed into the 1st and 2nd layer a whole lot better than it did with the first piece that we did, where you can see, like, which edge? Yeah, this one. Focus, will you? Come on, phone. There. Where you can see some of the fabric fibers are still kind of in there, and they're not actually coated with the epoxy. So, this is going to be a much more saturated layup. We're going to see how well this works. Here's my parchment paper, and we're going to clamp this together. Let's see, it is currently, what is it, Sunday morning. So I'm going to let this sit through about Wednesday, and we'll see how well this holds up. So here we go.